Hello my lovely people, my name is Marina and I'm a holiday addict. Welcome to Snowdonia! Welcome to part 5 of my amazing Welsh adventure in the village Clanberries in Snowdon. We started our day by catching a train from station in small but very picturesque village Clanberries. Very excited about this Snowdon mountain train. A lot of expectations to see beautiful Snowdon mountains. We're only by the train station, but look already at the views. On the tickets they're giving you which compartment you sit, so as you can see people split into different compartments, and there you are, to the train. We took the Snowdon train in big hope to see beautiful Snowdonian mountains, and this is what we can see. Nothing. Weather unfortunately not good. Raining, mist, and well, we just paid £35 to see a lot of mist. But train ride was nice anyway, so something to do. If you're hiking here and you got tired, you can just grab this train, one way to go down. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the station. Despite the weather on the way up, we still enjoyed our train journey, and on the way back, weather started brightening up and we could start really enjoy the view of the mountains. Do you like my videos so far? Then maybe you should press a like button. Please leave a comment. Did I miss something on my Welsh adventure? Should I go somewhere else? Have you been in Wales? Do you live in Wales? Let's share our experience. Leave a comment. We try to pack as much as we can in one day, so before we catch another train around small lake Clinpadan, we decide to take about 20 minutes walk, maybe a little bit less, from the center of the village to Waterfall, which is called Finnad Mawr, or I think it's called like this, I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's only about 10 minutes walk to Waterfall, but walk itself, it's beautiful. But look how close this is to railway. I don't think you would want to because it will be really, really cold. It's not a very big waterfall, but look at the power of the water. Very wet area here. As you can see, a lot of moss here, even on the trees. And I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but water dripping off the trees. This is not the grass. This is all moss. There you can see water dripping and moss. Moss is everywhere. Just there here is that railway bridge. So if you are taking Snowdon railway, you go over it. And actually you can see this waterfall from a window. And look at this weather now. When we took a train, weather was rubbish. If you had an afternoon train, we would have a stunning views of the Snowdon mountains, but unfortunately we didn't see anything except the mist. We are on the way. Try to find another train station to go around the lake. So hopefully we're going right way. How quickly weather changed here in Snowdonia. Unfortunately we end up on top of the mountains with a mist, and it was raining. 2 hours later, look at this. Sunshine, it's bright. Even we are going to wrong way, looking for the train station. It's well worth it. My paparazzi friends, because views are amazing. If you're enjoying my video so far, please consider to subscribe to my channel. My Welsh adventure is not over yet, there's a lot more videos coming up, so press the bell button, subscribe to my channel. This is a free slate museum, so if you're into this kind of things, it's a good free attraction. And success! We found the train station and we were walking right way. So just waiting for our train. For those who doesn't know, yes, I do collect plates, and I bought one of those. It's a print on a slate. This area is very popular for producing slates. As you see earlier, there is even a slate museum here. And I'm very pleased with it. And with the price, it's only $3.50. Compartment 2B. Out. Journey takes about 1 hour. You can't get more relaxing train journey than that. Scenery is amazing, my company was great, and was the best £6.25 I ever spent. Very exciting ride. I think I can walk faster. What do you think?
Enjoy. We enjoy the view and the scenery, beautiful mountains, and just shame we can't jump in the lake and cross.
We are on the way to Snowdon mountain because we had not a very great experience of the view, so we decided just to drive there, and we stop in this little cafe. It's all this board. People leaving messages and the names who climb Snowdon mountains. Well, you won't see my name on it. I ordered some of the Welsh Pride. It's a dark beer. We try, see what it's like. See if it's nice or not. Good, like it. 5 out of 5. This is the little cafe we stopped. Food was simple but was very good. We decided just to take a road and drive and see wherever it's gonna take us. And this road took us to this beautiful lake. I planned this trip, everything we're gonna do, but sometimes it's just good to sit in the car and drive wherever roads takes you. Oh, look at this, is one more lake. We've got 2 for 1 offer. I found driving in Snowdon is really hard. Not because roads are very narrow, but quality, no. Because the scenery was so amazing. You just want to look around, look at the mountains, look at the nature, look at the sheep walking around, look at the flowers. But I had to be concentrating on the road. So if you go to Snowdon Mountains, try to be a passenger, not a driver. I don't know enough English words to describe how beautiful this is. You just can see it for yourself. This is an end of another great day in Wales. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to press that like button. Thank you, and I see you next time.